Alright, so we cut out our jig. Now we're going to attach it to a board. Scrap piece of wood here. Now it's important make sure when you're attaching it that you have your 11 or whatever length your length is on this away from the board, and your rise is also. If you go like this, it's not going to come out right. Okay, that's going to give you too long of a thing or too short or whatever. So make sure the length that you want cut out is the part that's on the outside, away from the jig or away from the board there. So we're just going to attach this real quick. So now it's attached. So then you just want to bring it over here to your stringer, and let's see. So you bring it along here, and I already had the failed lines on there because I didn't cut out. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna draw some new lines here. So I think I'll start my other one about right up here. I don't know if you can see that. I got you turned too far. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah, you can see. Okay. So then I'm just gonna start my do my rise here and run there and move it down, and then line it up with the very end of the last one there, and then just do the same thing, rise and run, and then you go to the end of your thing again, and you'll do I'm only doing 2 steps, so I'm down here now, sorry if you didn't see that last one, and I'm just gonna do the rise here, and then we can come off of that, and it's not gonna, usually you can go, since my steps are so short though, this is going to be the end here, so hope that's not too confusing because I got my other lines here, but let's see, these are the good ones here, these ones not so good. You can tell this is not a 45. That's why it failed. So we're gonna X that out. This is the failed one. Failed. Okay. So you can see just by looking at these, pretty much that this is a 45. And this is going to be the bottom for the bottom step here. And then so the top step. So once we have all this measured out, yeah, then we can just cut it out. So it takes out all the guesswork. I probably could have gotten away with actually not as big as a board, because I'm only doing the 5 and 9.5/16 inch cutout, just because of the way my steps were. So putting 2 steps in, you know, and not having a lot of space, like was it like 16 inches? So yeah, you can kind of do the math on that. It came out to about 5, yeah, 5, 9 1/10. So 5, 9.5/16. Okay, 5 inches, 9.5/16. If that makes sense. So there we go. There's that. Then I'll go ahead and finish it and cut it out, and I'll let you see that at the end there. Okay, so thanks for watching. That's it so far.